2017, I visited Taipei with my painting and sketching gear for the first time. I ventured into the streets like a local. I pushed out some videos of this journey in 2017 but did not do them justice with the 480p format. I revisited and re-edited the clips to bring you higher resolution and longer episodes. Welcome back to Taipei. I'm on a local bus, a public bus here in New Taipei City. Next stop, Bali District. The journey will take slightly over an hour on this bus, so I'm gonna spend some time sketching. Wow, so the bus ride took about half an hour. I thought it was going to take over an hour, which was really quick. And I'm here at Bali Old Street. It's a small little town area, market area. I almost missed out on the lighting from the bus because, yeah, it was so quick. Thank goodness there were a million other people who were getting out of the bus too. Okay, this must be the wait for the public boat system over to the other side. That's where I'm going to. It's called Tamsui. The queue or the line is really long, so I have to figure out if I want to stay here or stand in line to go over there. Yeah. So just a bird's eye view of where we are. This is Taiwan. And our adventures in this series are way up north in the New Taipei City District. I took a bus from the Luzhou District for Bali, Old Town. And here I am wondering if I should wait in line to head over to Tamsui via a ferry boat. The guy behind me just said that the queue might go on for at least 2 hours. Yeah. By the way, it's a national holiday. It's Taiwan's National Day this weekend, so that explains the crowd. So I'm in line to ride the ferry over to this place called Tamsui. The line it seems to be moving, so I'm staying put. So I'm finally here at Tamsui. Just got off fresh from the boat and I see this place called Ake Lao Dian. I was told to come in and try their specialty, so let's go check it out. The food in Taiwan is incredible. After some coffee and sketching at Amanda, I headed over to the Spanish fort San Domingo. Yes, a real fort with real cannons. Unfortunately, it started to pour, so I had to quickly pack up to seek shelter. I was wondering why it had to rain at this point until I saw a cloud of smoke in front of me back in the Bali district region. I could have been there. After spending about 2 hours at the Spanish Fort Museum, it was closing time, so I ended up at the wharf to paint these traditional Tamsui fishing boats. And the day ended with a beautiful sunset. Wait for it to happen, okay? My friends Lillian and Archie brought me to this seafood place where they introduced me to a local beverage. So what this means is that the beer is only brought to the restaurant for 18 days or the shop or wherever. It never gets past 18 days, meaning it's super fresh. That's what 18 days means here. And you won't find 18 exported to any other country. Only here in Taiwan. Cheers.